Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope all of you are fit and fine at home. So now let's start with our social science class. And in social science, we are studying chapter 3, climate. Yes, and in this, what we are doing in earlier class, we have done the book exercise A and B. And today we will do book exercise C, D and E. And in C, we will do true and false. D exercise, we will do match the followings. And in E exercise, there are questions and answers. And in question and answer, we will do question 1 and question 2. So now, let's start with book exercise C, true and false of chapter 3. The first sentence, weather keeps on changing. This sentence is true or false? Tell me, students. Weather keeps on changing. The sentence is true. This statement is true. Yes. Now the second statement. As we go higher, it becomes hotter. So, as we go higher, it becomes hotter. This statement is false. Why? Because as we go higher, the place becomes cooler. Yes. The third statement, the torrid zone is very hot. So what is the answer, students? True or false? The torrid zone is very hot. So the answer is true because the torrid zone is very near to the equator. It is between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So this area is very hot. This zone is very hot. So this statement is true. The fourth statement, humidity does not affect the climate of a place. This statement is true or false? So the statement is false because humidity affects the climate of a place. Yes. Now the fifth statement, the climate of a place affects the life of the people, plants and animals. So this statement is true or false? Students, tell me, the climate of a place affect the life of the people, plants and animals. The statement is true. Yes, the climate of a place affect the life of the people, the food habits, the clothes they wear, the plants grow according to the climate of that place only. Yes, so this statement is true. Now we will come to the another book exercise, D book exercise, that is match the following. And in match the following, we have these match the following. The first is night time, second is coast, torrid zone, third, and fourth is frigid zone. And the answers for these are A, very cold, B, land breeze, C, moderate climate, hot, humid climate. So we have to match these. So the first match the following is night time. And what is the answer for night time? B, land breeze. So at night time, land breeze is there. Yes. Second, coast, and the answer is moderate climate. So nearby the coast, the climate is moderate. Yes. So the answer is C, moderate climate. Now third, torrid zone, and torrid zone answer is hot and humid. In torrid zone, we have hot and humid climate. Yes, so the answer is D, hot and humid. Fourth, frigid zone, and the answer is A, very cold. In frigid zone, we have very cold climate. So these are the answers of match the following. Night time, we have land breeze, coast, moderate climate, torrid zone, hot humid, frigid zone, very cold. So you just do match the following. Now we will move to our another book exercise of today. We will do questions and answers. So we will move to question 1. And what is the question 1, students? Question 1 is, what is the difference between weather and climate? So tell me now, what is the difference between weather and climate? I know all of you now would be able to give me the difference. Tell me the difference about weather and climate. So the answer for question 1 is, we will make a table. like this only in the notebook, and then we will write in one side we will write weather and another side we will write climate. So the first difference between weather and climate is weather is the conditions of a place for a short period of time. Yes, and climate is the weather conditions of a place over long period of time. Okay. Now the second difference about weather and climate is the weather change within a few minutes or hours. Yes, and the climate take very long time to change. It takes lots of years to change. Right? Now we will move to question 2. And what is question 2? Question 2 is name the factors that influence the climate of a place. So tell me, what are the factors that influence the climate of a place? Yes, now everyone would be knowing because we have discussed about these factors in brief. Yes, so just we will name them, the factors. We have to name the factors. So the answer is the factors that influence the climate of a place are as following. And what are the factors, students? Latitude, second altitude, third winds, fourth distance from the sea, fifth humidity, and sixth is ocean currents. So these are the 6 factors that influence the climate of a place, and that are latitude, distance from the equator, yes, altitude, height from the sea level, yes, winds, distance from the sea, humidity, and ocean currents. So you have to write the answer in this way only. So today, students, we have discussed about the true and false, match the following, and question and answer, question 1 and 2. In our next class, we will just discuss the question and answer which are left in the book exercise. Till then, just write the question and answers, question and answer in notebook, and true and false, and match the following you can do in the book itself. Right? Do it with the pencil. I will also share the PDF file of this PPT for your reference so that you can see from the PDF file and then you can do in your book and notebook these exercise. Till then, thank you and have a nice day and take care of yourself.